Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to lock only the header row in Google Sheets, while still allowing people to edit everything below. Perfect for shared spreadsheets. Let's jump in. First, click the row number for row 1. Right-click. Choose Protect Range. Click Set Permissions. Choose Only You. Click Done. Now row 1 is locked. Everyone can still edit the rows underneath. Quick note: this locks the header from being changed, but does not stop people from scrolling or sorting. Bonus tip: if you want to lock multiple header rows, select rows 1 through 3 instead, then repeat the same steps. That's it. You now have a protected header row with editable data below. Like and subscribe for more fast Google Sheets tips. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. See you in the next one.